Hey, what's gotten you two so relaxed?
This guy?
Who?
Introducing the next level in pool cleaning, Beatbot AquaSense 2.
That thing? Whoa, hold up. Wait, I didn't catch that. Okay, let's see what's happening here.
Well, let's get this thing going.
Whoa, it's gonna hit the wall. You okay? Whoa, cool. It cleans in an S pattern. Smart move.
Time for a friendly father-son showdown.
Wait. Did you guys forget about the pool walls? All right, looks like you got some serious power hidden in there after all. 1
and 2. All you need to worry about is if this guy can beat me to the pool.
Hey!
Oh no, what a mess. Right?
For this guy, that's no problem at all.
Smart moves, no bumps.
No sweat. That's its obstacle detection kicking in. But that's not all.
Show me. Whoa. What's the battery life? About up to 4 hours of runtime. Impressive. Keep going. Don't you want to check out where it's cleaned?
I saw it on the Beatbot app. Just enjoy the sun. It'll take care of itself.
Hey, welcome back. Wake up. It's floating away. Wow, it really came back. Great job. Get ready for the next round.